How to change Instagram name font. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change a name into some fancy font on your Instagram. So you cannot do it from the Instagram app itself. You need to go to a browser and then search for a website called techstrick.com, and then you need to open it up and you will see enter any text to make it fancy. Tap on the box and then write your name. Now you can scroll down, you can choose various styles: bold, aesthetic, viral, cool. Just tap on the font you want. And then when you scroll down, you can see various fonts. Just choose the one of your choice, hit copy, and now head over to your Instagram. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner, tap on edit profile, go to your name section, and then just press and hold and paste it and hit done. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.